Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a triangle using borders. You can use images or SVGs to make triangles, so there's multiple ways in which you can do this, but this is a very common and quick way to do it, so it's well known in the CSS design community. So let's see how it's done. So I'm going to be adding a little block over here, and I'm going to disable the empty block styling so that we can control exactly how it is. And I'm going to make the width 0, height 0, so we can't even see it right now. So let me just center this a little bit so that we can see roughly where it is. So this is basically our point. So right now it's got 0 width and 0 height. That's why we can't see anything. But what happens if we add border to it? So it's going to be adding outside of it. Let's just unlock the borders, and I'm going to add a top border. Nothing happens. I mean, it just expands, but because the width is 0, we can't see anything. So if I add one more side, oh, this is interesting. So now it's making a square. How is that happening? So if we actually let's set this to 100 pixels on each side so that it can be clear, and I'm going to change the color to something else so that we can actually see what's happening. So we have two borders in this case, the top and the right, and because they can't grow, they just kind of mesh into one another, and because they can't, they have to split the space. They end up splitting the space in this way, which is basically a triangle. So we can even leave it at that, and we can actually make this transparent. So let's come over here. Let's pick the transparent color, and there you go. We have a triangle like this, and we can actually turn it, etc. That's one way to achieve it. But what happens if we add more? So let's add another 100 pixels. Oh, this is interesting. So now we actually have another one over here. Let's pick a different color. And then finally, let's do this one, the right side. And then again, we're going to pick a different color. Let's pick purple, or maybe something a little bit more different than the rest. Okay. So now we have 4 triangles, and same as before, they can't claim the entire space. That's why they end up splitting it like a triangle. So now, whichever side you want to pick, the other sides we can make transparent, and that's it, really. So let's say we want to keep only the green one, so we can make this one transparent, and this one transparent. Let's bring it over here, and same thing for this one, transparent, and there you go. This is the simplest way, and you can adjust the size of it, or certain ratios, so to say, the scaling of it. So you can change that side. Yeah. So this is a triangle that you can configure. And the nicest part is if you have a radius. Look at this. You can actually make a circle arc. So that can be useful in certain designs. All right. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching.